Hi everyone! You watch TV. She reads a book. They play a game. What are the subjects? Subject. You, she, they. What are the verbs? Verb. Watch, reads, play. What type of word is TV, book, and game? Noun. What tense is this? Present simple tense. Do you remember? I am happy. He is tall. It is cold. We are beautiful. Well done. What are the subjects? I, he, it, we. What are the verbs? Am, is, are. What type of verb is am, is, and are? The be verb. And what type of word is happy, tall, cold, and beautiful? Adjective. What tense is this? Present simple tense. I, angry. I am angry. I is angry. I are angry. I am angry. You, smart. You am smart. You is smart. You are smart. You are smart. She, short. She am short. She is short. She are short. She is short. He, old. He am old. He is old. He are old. He is old. It, expensive. It am expensive. It is expensive. It are expensive. It is expensive. We, friendly. We am friendly. We is friendly. We are friendly. We are friendly. They, sad. They am sad. They is sad. They are sad. They are sad. Well done. Now quiz time. Let's go. She is sad. They are big. It is cheap. Wow, well done. Now do the worksheet. If you have any questions, please ask me in the comments. See you next time. Bye.
Learn English.
Why are you eating chocolate?
With your favorite English teacher.
Hi everyone.
Grandma.
In. On.
Vocabulary.
Orange.
Activities. Real-life conversations.
The changing room is over there.
More than 100 lessons.
Hi everyone. Today we will practice English conversation.
Worksheets for every lesson. Weekly live classes. Take your English to the next level. With Rachel's online English program. 7-day free trial. School.com/learn English with Rach.